Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like previously, we have just learned how to create a new React tab and we have just created our new React tab and I hope you understand how to create a React tab. And I've also opened my React tab in my VS Code just now. In this video, I will be telling you how to update this React tab on React 18. Previously, we have learned about what are the files and folders which are created in this React tab. So today I will be telling you how to update these all files and folders to React 18, and I will be telling you start to end the things which we needed to update it to React 18, and I will be telling you what are the things important to update and to run it through React 18. So remember to hit a like to this video because this video will be giving you help moving forward. And if you understand this video, so remember to hit a like and also subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be coming with up because that will be giving you help moving forward. So just I hope you'll be enjoying today's video because it will be giving you help. So remember to subscribe and after subscribing hit notification bell, and also just see all the previous videos which I've done here using React 18. Like we have learned about setup, how to create a new React tab, and how to understand these all files and folders, what are these and how to work with that. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is React 18 and how to just start with this React 18 and how to update it on React 18. So just like I'm telling you in this video, I'll be telling you how to update our React app through React 18. So now we'll be understanding and seeing how to update a React normal app into React 18. So for updating that, here I will be opening my VS Code, and in VS Code we have created a folder with the name of app1. I have just also telling you the command which we have to use to create our React app. So you have to use that command and create your folder. You can check my previous video if you don't know about that. So simply I will be opening new window from here. Then I will be opening my folder which was available on my local disk E with the name of app1 I have written. You can write any other name as well. I have telling you in the previous video like how to create your React app and how to give the name to that. You can check that video if you have not yet. So you can see now this is our folder which we have created. I'll be pressing select folder to open it. You can also drag and drop directly. So here we are just getting app1 folder, and now when you are getting, you can see we are getting this public folder in which we are getting all these files. And I've also telling you in the previous video, and I've just explained you what are these files and folders about. You can also check that video which is named as understand files and folders of React 18, because that will also giving you help if you don't know about these folders and file, and if you are seeing these or folders and file newly in React 18. So you can see now we are getting all this stuff. So now in today's video, like our topic was to update it into React 18. So for updating this here, you have to first of all run this. So for running this folder, or you can say this app, you have to write a command. So move to your terminal, press new terminal. You don't have to do nothing because it will be automatically redirecting you to your folder. You can see it has automatically redirected me to my folder which is called app-1. This is my folder. You can see we are getting the name as well. Now here I will be writing a command to run my folder. So for writing the command, you have to write here npm, then you have to give a space and write here start. So here I will be writing npm start. This is the command to run your React app when you have created newly here. So here I will be pressing enter to run my React 18 app. So you can see if I press enter, it will be taking some time and it will be running my React app in the default browser. You can see it is running. It is saying that app1 at the rate 0.1.0 start. Then it is starting React scripts. React scripts means this is the library in Node module. So it is using that and running our app which we have created here. So now it will be running our app directly. So you will be seeing that in some minutes that it will be running, and it will be showing that in our Google Chrome browser, or you can say any other browser which we are having default. So it will be opening your means it will be opening your React app in your default browser. So I think it will be opening this app in my Opera browser, because I think Opera is my default browser, so it will be opening in Opera. If you are having Google Chrome as your default browser, so it will be opening it in Google Chrome, but I think that mine will be opening in the Opera browser. So you can see it will be taking some time here, and then it is just saying that some of the middleware or setup things are missing. So here we have to just now move in this terminal. Then I will be just now here, you can see it has opened this in my default Google Chrome browser like I've telling you, and you can see it is working here. So I will be removing this, and you can see it has opened. it is taking some time here. So our localhost server is here, which is called localhost, so it is running here. So I'll be pressing localhost here like this. This is the localhost 3000. Now you can just run this localhost 3000 directly from here, or you can just wait to run it from here. So just it will be taking some time to run. You can see it has opened this React tab. It is saying that it is giving some error, saying that logo.svg is not found, because we have deleted this while in the previous video I've shown you. So simply I will be doing it side by side to solve these all errors, and I'll be telling you how to solve these all errors. This is really simple thing to solve these errors. There is not a big thing. So for solving this error, just you have to go to source folder, go to app.js, then erase this import logo from logo.svg here. Now just save this. You can see again we are getting error. It is saying that logo is not defined. So here I will be now erasing all the stuff which is written in this div tag from here. Means this all header tag which is written, I'll be erasing this. Now when you've written this, just now save, and you can see now nothing error is coming, as or everything is solved. Now here we have to update it to React 18. So for updating it, here I will be moving to my index.js file, and here you will be getting a title. Here you can see we are just getting this root. Then I will be moving at the top, we are just getting this all files here. Means this is the tailwind css file in which we are getting all the codes. Then here we are getting all this stuff. Now you can start your code, and then you can work with. So this was the thing here which I want to show you, and like this you can update your project to React 18. So we have updated this React app, and we have run successfully our first React app. So in the next video, I will be telling you what are the components in React and how to use that. And I will be also telling you about different components are here. So I'll be telling you all the components which we needed to learn about React 18. In this video, we have learned how to update our React app, means how to run it in React 18. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like. And if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.